don't know where to look. I'm like, do I look at you? Do I look at the camera? Do I look down?
And we're doing this interview in the G-Wagon.
This is why I could never be an influencer.
We're out here. All right, so this one's gonna be a little bit different. We got my student here, Melanie, who did 10K in her first 7 days?
2 weeks.
2 weeks of selling on Amazon and 2 weeks of joining in the program. So let's kind of dive into her story and see what's worked for her and everything like that. So Melanie, what made you get into Amazon?
I just kept seeing it everywhere online, and I don't know, it looked like something I wanted to try because everyone was saying that they were making money and they were able to just basically run the business from like their laptop. So I don't know, it seemed interesting to me, like I could work from home.
Yeah, it's pretty good business. And how did you find me?
Instagram. It just randomly popped up. I think because I had been searching a lot for Amazon stuff, and then you popped up and I was like, oh. So I started looking, and then I saw you were local to me and I was like, oh, that's cool. And then I don't know, it just, something about you like stuck, and I was like, I think I want to try this.
I know, I think you mentioned you were working with somebody else before, right? Another mentor?
Yeah.
Was it really a mentor, or was it actually AI?
It felt like I was talking to AI.
Crazy.
She was just not supportive. It was just very surface level. If I had questions or I'd run into problems, she wouldn't respond to me, and I was just like, so I was basically teaching myself.
Wow, that's quite the experience. So what has been what's been like the best thing about working directly with me as your mentor in the Amazon business?
You're there, like supportive. If I have questions, if I run into issues, it's like you always know the answers, like what to do to help me fix it, versus before I was just like left by myself.
Wow. Yeah, everybody needs somebody to kind of show them the way and like guide them through the whole Amazon business, because it's not easy. It's actually pretty difficult. Like there's like something always going on with the whole gating, with finding products, finding suppliers and everything like that. So what's been your experience with working with the virtual assistant team that we've provided for you?
I think they're amazing. I actually just had a meeting with him, and he found me 3 products, and they're all very profitable, and he was able to ungate one of them, and he's working on the other 2.
Wow. So you've only been in the program for about 2-3 weeks?
Like 3 weeks.
And you've done 10K in sales?
Over 10K now.
Wow. And you're doing a lot of FBM versus FBA, right? Getting those quick flips, like RA to FBM. Honestly, like RA to FBM is like the best thing to do. And I think you're also doing a little bit of cash and carry, right? Okay, so yeah, cash and carry is like the game changer right here, you guys. 2 minutes in 10K, 11K in sales, damn. That's crazy, y'all. So that's a quick little interview with Melanie here, one of my best performing students. Implemented the system, got right to it, did a little bit of FBM, doing FBA, doing cash and carry, utilizing local suppliers. And this just goes to show that if you're willing to put in the work, it'll work for you too.